Hello there, and welcome back to Legendary KD. Man, it's been a minute. Jesus Christ, it has been a minute. Now, not at my Duke's crib, not at the Mama Duke's crib. Man, we are here. Well, I am here at my dorm. It is crazy. It's crazy, man. My freshman semester, man. Both semesters. I said, let me take this off. My freshman year, man. This year has rolled by, man. This year has rolled. This year has cruised by for me, man. A lot's changed, man. A lot has changed. I may look the same. I definitely look the same. But yeah, I definitely look the same. But nah, man. A lot has changed, man. It's gotten smarter mentally. Because of college, I have obtained some short-term memories. So if I don't remember some of the things from this endings, you know. Honestly, I was gonna react to the openings, but I thought there's much more, and because we all know, if you've been a part of this channel for a good couple of months or years or weeks, just watching some videos, you know that I like to rank them. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna say I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna say which is my least favorite and favorite. Okay, so let's get right into it. I don't want to waste any time because these are some great endings, man. Great endings, man. Oh, and I've seen Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man, great anime. Really good anime. Really good start to season 1. I knew this was Demon Slayer season 3, of course. Let's get into ending 1. Ah. I don't remember this one. This looks cold though. And I like the song to it. It's a good ending. I like this. Mm-hmm. I love how unpredictable this show is. Because I honestly thought it was just going to be one of those things where it's just the dog and Denji, they were just kind of cruise through the season just on this adventure. But the dog died the first episode, man. So that was cool. That was something, man. I liked it. It was different. It was unpredictable, and okay, ending 2. Now before I get into this, I already know what my favorite ending is, and I already know it's gonna. Well, I already know what to me is the best ending so far. So I'm not gonna say it. I think I already did say it. If I didn't, I'm not gonna say it. What in the hell is that, bro? It's like an earthquake. Jesus Christ! I'm on the 4th floor, and it's like freaking 4 more floors above me. I think no, 5 more floors above me. But nah, let's get into this. I don't want to waste any more time. It's not a guitar, but it sounds something similar to it. I don't know what instrument it is though. The visuals look really nice. I love the art sketching. I love how they had the time, the detail, and the material to just make create with the animation and the music. Man, I love it. I love how each of them are different in their own way. And have like a different landscape that goes to whatever arc or episode that they're in. And I'm sorry if you can't hear the audio. Copyright, I'm sorry. Just this earbud right here. Knock you, my son. Bro, don't even get me started on the Chainsaw Man fans, bro. You dogs. You literal dogs, bro. I mean, I love me some Denji, but y'all some I wouldn't even say y'all perverts. Y'all just down bad. Hold on, let me put this right here. Y'all are down bad, bro. I could be Denji for Yumacon. I just gotta figure out like ew and that. I gotta figure out what shoes I'm gonna wear with it because I can easily wear like the this is gonna that's the best one so far. This the best one. This is like the second best, bro. This is the second best ending, bro. Devil, devil, in the name of devil. Bro, this is cold, bro. If I had to say which anime has like some of the best endings, Chainsaw Man is definitely in the conversation. Not top one, but Jesus Christ! Is this supposed to be heavy metal? Cone. It's like ear rape in my ear. Such a good, just such a good ending, bro. This is the best one so far, man. And the visuals, man. Jesus. I think Aki might be my favorite character in terms of what he's been through. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't seen Chainsaw Man in like a month. I'm trying to remember her name. Power. Power is a comic relief character, but she's cool too. She has her moments. I think it's like a it inside of a girl's body though. If I'm correct, I forgot the story behind Power or what it or she actually is. It looks like that girl from Gintama. I'm telling you, man, the art and just the animation and these endings are so good. Oh yeah, I forgot she loves that cat. She's a cat person. She reminds me of that one girl from Kaguya-sama that's just dancing right now. I'm getting those type of vibes. And the bunny costume. Such a weird, fun ending. Nice, a power ending. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the best one. Oh man, this is the best one. Y'all better strap yourselves in, bro. I'm telling you the truth, man. This is the best one. It's my favorite one, bro. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. What's up, dude? This is the ending of the year. From all the anime I've seen, this is the ending of the year. I'm sorry. Yeah. my god! I don't know what he's saying, but he's spitting. Oh my god. This is so good, bro. That was the best ending of Chainsaw Man thus far. I'm dead ass, bro. I'm dead ass. This right here is the best one. It's the best one, man. It's the best one. The best ending so far. Possibly the entire show. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's go on to ending 6 though, and of course they give me the same old shitty ad twice. Come on, YouTube. You gotta switch it up, man. If I'm gonna invest in your product, you gotta commit. Ooh, the visuals look good here too. They have no misses, bro. There's like one ending where it's kind of but we'll get to it when we get to it. Yeah, this is from that one arc where they were trapped. And then, is his name Denji or Genji? I believe it's Genji. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry if I'm disrespecting Shane for man. I'm sorry. I think it's Genji. I believe it's Genji. I think I fucked it up. Damn it. Yeah, I think it's Genji. This is where Genji, he defeated that monster. I don't want to spoil it. I'm sorry. I don't want to spoil it. For people who haven't watched it, man, I'm sorry. I want to talk about the show, but at the same time, I don't want to spoil it for people, so spoilers are advised at this point forward. Okay. So, they think they slick. Oh yeah, that's where she hugged Genji for saving her cat. I thought I saw something else. I thought I saw something. I'm not gonna say what though. Cool ending. The visuals were good. The music I thought was alright. You gotta flow to the vibe, man. Not gonna lie, I forgot this girl's name. This girl right here on the screen, but bro, I do not like her. I'm just gonna keep it a buck with you. I do not like her, bro. I do not like her whatsoever, man. Cause like, alright, so I'm just gonna try and hurry this up. So, or not hurry this up, but like say this in like the most like shortest, simplest way possible. So, first of all, she is so annoying, bro. Like, nah, cause she gives me Zenitsu vibes, and I don't like that. I don't like the fact that she gives me Zenitsu vibes. Like, it's the same thing that's said for Zenitsu that I'm gonna say for her. Why did you become a demon slayer? Why did you get a part of this job if you're just gonna act like a pussy the entire time? If you're just gonna act like a bitch and just be scared of everything, like why did you sign up for the goddamn job? And then they want to have this fucking side personality where they're just all badass and they can like kill everybody. Like I just hate those characters, man, because they're just so annoying, bro. Like, bro, you cannot look me dead in the eye and tell me that Zenitsu is not annoying as fuck. And if you are a diehard Zenitsu fan. I don't have anything against Zenitsu. He even has his moments once in a while. He even, like that one episode where he slashed off that guy's head in season 1. Not episode 12, I believe it was episode 17. But that was a cold moment. Honestly, honest to God, I almost cried during that episode. That was a really, really good episode. But my point being is that he is so annoying. The dude is just crying. Like he just whines and cries like 15 minutes. Okay. I'm sorry. I just don't like her. That I just don't like her. I just hate characters like that. That's allowed. Bro is in love. Her eyes are really interesting. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like she's gonna turn out to be a villain. I feel it. I feel it. And then this man Genji, or yeah, Genji is gonna have to change his whole. I got distracted. His whole it looks so CGI-ish and so it's so disgusting and funny at the same time. Unfortunately, that was Genji's first kiss. Imagine what his first experience of sex is gonna be like, bro. Like, don't tell me he's gonna get puked on while in missionary position. This man's gonna get puked on. Oh, that's terrible. But nah, the girl might die if she's like growing up like that. I don't know. That would have been a good couple, man. Ooh, this might be top three. Hold on. Who's this? Is that Aki? Or is that somebody else? Yeah, this is the episode where she sacrificed herself. I'm gonna watch the compilations for best moments too. Oh my god, this looks so. Oh, oh, oh my god. Yeah, no, this top three so far for sure. I don't know about second best, but third, I could see that. This is so good. This is so good, bro. Here comes the cool vibe, the relaxing vibe. Here we go. Ending nine. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, okay. They foreshadowed it the last ending. That's great. Oh my god, that transition is so cold. Oh my god. Bro, what they're doing with the blood is so. Ooh. Oh my god. They don't miss. They don't miss. My god. Oh yeah, that's where she killed every. Oh my god. There is a lot of, I guess, symbolism for the cross. Like uh, I wonder what does that mean in Chainsaw Man world. Like where they, because they have like a whole bunch of crosses and stuff. So I wonder what that means to like the universe. And this is what I was talking about. Like one of the openings is, or one of the endings is kind of eh. It dead ass looked like they just recorded this and just eh. Like, it looks like they just recorded this and just edited it, and then it's just, this is the ending. I mean, it looks impressive, but it does kind of look impressive, but it's not one of those endings that I'll just rewatch or re-listen to. Maybe the full version. Maybe the full version. Because some of the full versions be slapping. The art looks impressive. Hmm. This is Dave. I don't care about Dave. I care about the openings. Okay. This is 10, right? 11? Oh, okay, 11. Nah, nah, nah. Nah, nah, nah. Some, some like a bob tea, you know what I'm saying? The landscape looks impressive. Nice. Hmm. Have they introduced that character with the mask on? Hmm. I might as well watch this. All 11 openings, man. This is the opening of them having fun. Okay. Something chill. They're in heaven and they don't even know it. Oh, love to fucking. Nah, I'm not gonna react to it. But anyway. Oop, sorry. But anyway, Soul of the 11, 12, I believe it's 11. Yeah, all the 11 opening or endings. 5 to me is the best. Yeah, 5 is the best. 3 is really great. And I believe it's either 7. I think it's 7, 8, and 9. I believe those are like all good, all really good. So yeah, yeah, yeah. That's about it, man. Love Chainsaw Man. Can't wait for season 2. I'll try and do a compilation to something maybe. I don't know. I might do a compilation to the Seven Deadly Sins because I haven't really covered Natsu no Taizai on this channel, even though I really love the anime and I hate what they did. I hate what they did with season 3 and 4. Bro. And anyway, that's about it.